Alright, what's going on, guys? My name is Logan with West Desert Wheeler. Today's video should be something completely different to the channel. I'm going to go and pick up a project vehicle, and this is going to be a full-size one. So going down to pick up a 1994 Runner. It's supposed to be super clean. I actually haven't seen it and I've already bought it, but it's coming from one of my buddies, so I trust that it will actually be in good shape. Gonna jump in the truck with Shalem, gonna run down to the northwest corner of Arizona and take a look at it. Let's go hit the road. Alright, just got down here. Got ourselves a flatbed. Shout out to Shalem for dragging my happy ass down here. Here she is, taking our first look. All right, not too bad. Paint's in decent condition. Looks like it used to have some stripes on it, and or they've completely faded out to white. But it's a 4Runner and it exists, so we're off to a good start. Tires actually look pretty decent. I haven't really even seen it, so let's take a gander. Dude, it's pretty dang clean. Got a Clarion in here, oh yeah. Not too bad. Guess I get whatever's in here. But yeah, gonna take a closer look off camera. Well, there she is. It's definitely got something seriously upset in the engine, so it's running on what sounds like about 2 cylinders. But she got onto the trailer under her own power. Luckily, it's a hydraulic tilt deck, so we just had to get the rear tires to the edge. I put it in low range to give me some gearing advantage, but yeah, after taking a peek at this thing, it's pretty damn clean. The only downside is I got myself a set of Linglongs, boys. So pretty rad. Excited to get this thing home and see what it needs. Maybe a whole engine, might just be head gaskets. We'll find out, but it's definitely covered in antifreeze under here. So we're gonna hit the road and get her home. Full turn right. All right, guys, here we are 2 days later. We got the old 3 blows in the garage. Poking and prodding just a little bit. We did find that there was a broken spark plug boot. I replaced that, bought a new spark plug harness, and unfortunately that did not make it run any different. It runs exactly the same, but it basically feels like it's got 2 dead cylinders. It's also got a pretty bad exhaust leak coming out of the EGR. I think that's what that's called, I don't know. But exhaust gas regen, something like that. So unfortunately, I have not confirmed that it's a head gasket yet, so we need to do that. My buddy says that you can go down to an auto parts store and just grab a antifreeze test kit that will find exhaust chemicals in your antifreeze, and it'll tell you if it's a head gasket or not. So that's where we're going to start out with this thing. These stupid 3.4s, man, just have a mess of vacuum hoses. That's horrible. I mean, you could have a really bad vacuum leak in there. It could be something to do with the distributor. There's a lot of little things it could be. The coil could be bad, so maybe I need to try one of those. But you just got to start with the little things and then work your way down the line. Now, this does not have an engine fan in it, and somebody put an electric pusher fan right here, which is tiny, and there's only one in here. So they overheated it, and you can see that there's remnants of antifreeze all over the front end. So it looks like it got hot and blew a hose or something. And yeah, so it's very likely that it just got hot and blew a head gasket. So still not sure if I'm going to do a swap of just a 3.0 or switch to a 3.4 with the trans and transfer case as well. Depends on how easy or difficult that may end up being. So for now, that's going to be it on the old 3.0. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next episode. Appreciate you watching. Definitely drop a comment down below if you're a Toyota guy, and if you have any opinions on things to check, I would appreciate the input. So, hope you guys enjoy the new series. We'll see you next time. Keep the rubber side down. Say bye, Sydney. Oh, goodbye, guys.